Hey there, Josh from JWin Sound here. Going to show you how to wire up the CBI cable's Floorbox receptacle. So when you receive it, it's going to look like this and hanging out the back. That's all well and good if you're going to go into a concrete pour box where you're already isolated from everything else. In this case, I'm installing into a wooden stage. I have access underneath the stage. Obviously cannot have that kind of exposure there, so I've got to put that in a handy box. So what we're going to do is, here's the process. So we're going to take off the plate, take the receptacle out, and then we're going to go ahead and install the receptacle into a handy box. So our handy box has our little screw holes there. Threaded, and I just need to end up with the receptacle sitting at an angle like that. So as long as it's up and out of the box on one end, then we're good. Now these holes are threaded. That's what the receptacle is attached to when you receive it. For attaching to a handy box, we need to drill these holes out. We can't have both of them threaded, otherwise they'll never snug up, and you'll just wrestle with that. So I drilled those out with a 5/32 bit, just to open them up a little bit more than I needed, but that kind of helped with alignment, because the alignment of the holes isn't always perfect on the handy box versus this. So no problem having a little bit of slack to work with there. Okay, so then the process to actually mount it, you're just going to take it and underneath the back of it there until you've passed by there, and there you go. And you can push that down, and if you can get two hands all the way down in there, you can go ahead and install those screws and put the plate back on, and what you end up with is that. All right, hope that's helpful.